I wasn't even recording. Shit, I'm an idiot.
Hey there, bird.
That's it.
It's like he's knows and like he's sleeping, like trying to make himself comfortable.
Sleeping.
Like trying to.
Hey there, bird.
I think you're making him fight it, Dad, because he's like waking up and going.
This is good. Keep doing that. I have to change the batteries.
We don't have any more batteries.
I have 2 more in my pocket.
Come on.
No, I don't. I'm just kidding. Good.
Hey there, bird. Try it one more time. Come on.
One more spaz.
Is it kicking? Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh, all right. Okay, you can do that.
No.
It's going.
Oh,
No. He's lifting his head. See?
let me get a better camera angle.
While he's lifting his head, he ain't dying. Yep. You heard me.
Perfect.
Oh my gosh.
This is how I get fired.
Is my knee in your camera?
No.
Hey there, bird.
I can't watch this. This is ridiculous. I almost just fell on top.
Maybe. Freaking longest deck ever. I'm gonna go watch TV. Tell me when. Let me call PT Jolly. That's been on there.
I don't know. She ain't gonna pick up for that.
She might. What's it? Yoli? Yoli?
Yep.
I don't know what he's doing. He's gasping for air, I think. He's doing a nice look. He's like, yeah, look, Dad, I think this is it. Hello? Are you busy? Oh, guess what? The bird's dying. Yeah, as a Christian, and I'm recording it for YouTube. As a Christian, Dad took it out of the cage, and it's on the floor laying down gasping for air. It's awesome. Oh, I think he kicked the bucket. He died. Yeah, right now, he just died. Oh, wow. I don't know. Look, Dad, he died. I knew it the whole time. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's died!
That's so going in it.
You knew it was gonna die.
Yeah, but
I could totally work for a true life, like as a cameraman. If I'm heartless.
that's so sad. Stop the camera. It's dead.
No, this is good. Keep talking. This is audio right here. Good. Can you go? Oh my God! One more time. Just go. Oh my God. I know. I did it out.
That's so sad. Can you please just take it off? It's disturbing.
Why?
Because it's dead,
Okay,
Rob.
go pick it up.
No. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna go to my room and cry.
For what?
Right
A bird?
now.
A $5 bird?
No, they're like
Yes,
20 bucks
now
though.
they're 20 bucks. That's why I'm gonna cry.
20 for real?
20 bucks parakeets.
I'm really gonna
That's
cry
not
because...
worth 20.
Like that, nothing like that.
You know what'd be awesome? If you put him back, just like leaning against the side on the stick, and Mom comes in, she would not notice.
No, she won't. I know.
It'll fall off, and then she'll just be like, Rob!
No, for the most dramatic effect, you have to leave it just like that, and she'll start screaming.
Want to do it?
Leave it just there.